Hello, first graders, and welcome to another lesson of Meeting Characters and Learning Lessons. You have been doing a good job of keeping track of what happens, getting to know the characters, and learning lessons from those characters. Are you ready for a new challenge? Let's look like college students and turn your brains on high. Today, I want to teach you that readers don't just read books, they think about what's the same and what's different. Take a look at these shoes. Let's talk about how they are the same and different. How are these shoes the same and different? Well, they are both red sneakers. They both have a different colored sole than the actual shoe. And if you look closely, both of them are empty of the shoelace for the very first hole. So the very first hole is empty. For this shoe, they're high tops. They have white laces. There's a logo here with a shape, and it has the one stripe, and there are 4 different colors in this shoe: white, black, red, and blue. This shoe, these are low tops, and they have red laces. There's no logo. There are no shapes. It has many stripes, and there are 3 colors. There's yellow, green, and red. Now, use this experience of comparing and contrasting shoes to find the similarities and differences between 2 books. Let's take a look at the books that we've read before: Mr. Putter and Tabby Drop the Ball, and Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. How are these books the same and different? Well, in both of these stories, they were both looking for something. Mr. Putter was looking for his baseball mitt, and Iris was looking for Walter. They both were doing what they like to do: playing baseball, going on a field trip, and they were both having fun playing baseball and going on a field trip to the aquarium. In Mr. Putter and Tabby Drop the Ball, the characters were old or older. They were going to a baseball game. The dog helped solve the problem. For Iris and Walter, they were younger. They went to an aquarium. And in this story, the teacher and the student helped solve the problem. Now try this strategy with one of your own books. Remember to compare and contrast your new books with previously read books by considering the problem and the solution, characters' feelings, and endings. After you finish reading your new book, compare and contrast it with one of your previously read books. Make a Venn diagram and send it to your teacher. All right, readers, off you go.